Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check your account error on Minecraft. Let's begin. So here we are, and if you're having this error right here, then I have the solution for you. So first, let's close this, and the first thing that we would need to do is go into our start menu, and from here you want to type in time, because we want to change the date and time in our system settings. So click on it here in the system settings. So you want to make sure that the time is set automatically right here, and you want to set a time zone automatically right here. So make sure it's automatically set so that it would be the right value, because this is the most common reason why your Microsoft apps or Microsoft Store right here is not functioning correctly. And then the next one would be going into your Microsoft Store right here, because this is where you are installing your Minecraft right here, and this is where you are getting the error. So first, let's wait for it. And as you can see, I am currently signed in. And what you want to do is that first you want to click here on sign out. So you want to sign out your account first, but in my case I would not do that because I don't know the password to this anymore. So yeah, but in your case you want to click here on sign out right here, so that you would be signed out right here in your Microsoft Store. And then the next one would be going into your start menu again, and from here you want to type apps and features right here. So in the system settings, so you want to go here, and from here you want to search in the list Microsoft Store right here, right there, Microsoft Store. And from here you want to click on advanced options, and from here you want to click here on reset. And after you have clicked on reset, then there will be a check mark right here, and I will not do that again because I don't want my Microsoft Store to reset because I don't know the login details. But in your case, you should click on reset right here, and after that you want to close this, and all you have to do now is restart your computer. So go in your start menu, go into your power, and then restart. And after that, after you have restarted your computer, all you have to do now is go here into your Microsoft Store and then log in into your account right here in Microsoft Store using your Microsoft account, and after that your problem should be solved. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.